Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today let's talk about making money online. There are certainly many programs on the web and also plenty of scams. Anyways, here are the top most legit money making websites on the web, and it also lists some websites for you to avoid, and I'll leave the link to this Reddit post down below in the video description. So let's quickly take a look at some of the most legit money making websites, and most of these are pretty popular and well known, and a lot of these are survey sites, get paid to do stuff, and testing out games and products, and even do things like watching videos. So a lot of these things anyone can do. Is pretty easy, but you're not gonna get rich from doing this, but it is safe and legit way to make some extra cash on the side. So consider this like a side hustle. Alright, one of the most popular programs or websites out there certainly is Swagbucks, and they paid out over $500 million already. So this is definitely one of the biggest and legit websites on the internet, and you get a $10 bonus for joining. And here you can do things like get paid to answer surveys, cash back on shopping, and a bunch of other things. Highly recommend it. And here's another top websites for making some extra cash. It's gain.gg, and here you can do things again, completing tasks and surveys, and then you get earnings through PayPal or crypto. Another site is FreeCash, which is also a get paid to type of website. And here's another interesting one, gg2u.org, and they will pay you to play games, watch videos, and of course take surveys and more. Get $1 for signing up, and you can get paid through PayPal and crypto and e-gift cards. And some of these legit get paid to websites are not so well known, like this one, Price Rebel. I've never heard of them, but apparently they're pretty big, and it's good to join multiple GPT get paid to websites so you can have more earning opportunities. And here there's a bunch of more other types of sites and opportunities. There's even apps for saving money on gasoline and cash back on grocery shopping for local grocery shopping. So saving money is the same as making money on the side, so highly recommend it. I have both of these apps installed, Ibotta and Upside, right here. Highly recommend it. So check out these apps for your mobile phones. And down below here there's a nice table with a bunch of these cashback programs, along with age requirement, minimum payout, types of payout, and things like that. And also these are sites to avoid, so scam sites, so make sure you avoid these sites. And of course sites with high minimum withdrawals you want to avoid. Free Bitcoin sites, faucets, and a link to even more scam sites and sketchy sites. So I'll leave a link to this post down below. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.